welcome to another episode of Unscripted. Today we have a Kwaito artist. We can call him an agent. He qualifies. I mean, he's had a fair share of controversies. He's made headlines on tabloid, bad, good. He's been around. He's done it all. And Brickz, Mabrigado.
So, sis.
Kunjan?
Yep.
I'm alright. Do you regret being famous?
No.
You don't?
No, I don't.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
What are the lessons that you've learned throughout your entire time in the industry?
One, you don't burn your bridges. Number two, industry in South Africa. You know, and you meet people who would really want to make it happen. And then they become bigger than you.
We know, or we are being told all the time, that musicians depend on gigs to make money. Are you doing something else to make sure that you don't depend on a certain promoter to book you, to put food on the table for your kids?
If I was not a musician, I was a musician. And now, right about now, we've started doing it for Foundation because somehow as much as we are still hustling, skijimisa the next 10,000, the next 20,000, the next 5,000 wins, siyakhohlwa ukuthi abafethu laba bangasekho emhlabeni basasenabantwana babo, basasenabafamilies babo, akade bayama-breadwinner kubo. You understand? That we really need to take care of, you know. So I'm trying to tackle that issue right about now, going straight into saying, if ingozi zika-Foundation, wayezithembise ukuthi uzosigelezisa. If uman knows that we are saying, no, I'm going to buy you this. We can do something and find a way which is the loss, you know, and the space.
You've done well for yourself. You've been doing well, and at some point they were saying no. Brickz is out, is down and out. He's gone back home. What's going on? Are you fine? Are you doing well? Is there money? Are you able to take care of yourself? Take care of your family?
Look, I've always made an oath to myself, and I'm still gonna keep that. I'm not going to say anything economy about my paper and economy about, you know. I have never said anything. I never said I was rich. You understand? And I'm going to footing really. You understand? So I was never about you understand? I mean, I'm not rich. You know, I can afford whatever
How important is it that fathers need to be present in their children's lives?
As much as because we don't aswazi ama problems abanye abantu. You understand? Asazi izinto ezidrive abanye abantu ukuthi bahlukane nabantu babo. And aswazi izinto ezidrive abantu ukuthi babalekele fatherhood. You understand? But I can still say it's very important for ukuthi uqhubekise isibongo. Mina njengekhaya ngugajeni ngundlovu ekhaya. Sengubaba ekhaya, you understand? So if ukuthi mina ngiyahamba nginganabantwana engibanakekelayo emhlabeni or nginganabo abantwana at all, angikwazi ukuqhubekisa isibongo. You know, you need to have something that you look up to, and in terms of when and start thinking, I don't want to go to work today, but and start thinking, hey, maybe I need to push hard.
What would you say to that teenage father who's actually turned his back on this child?
I'm really not gonna involve myself into people's lives and into what people deal with ambulance in their personal time. I really don't want to involve myself into that. But all I could say is, as much as we are musicians, you know, you know, people, even if passport party or festival in sense, they must remember which you understand? So that they don't start disrespecting us, so that they don't start disrespecting Kwaito, so that they don't start disrespecting the leaders. You understand? You know, and it's got a lot to lose.
Would you say hip hop has taken over Kwaito? I mean, Kwaito back in the days
I don't know the statistics. I really don't know about that.
It's your opinion. I want you to tell me your opinion. But you're a Kwaito artist.
I'm a musician. When you listen to music, I should be asking you that question. Who music, you know? So I do collaborate with hip hop artists, and I still think it's quite.
What is keeping you going? Is it being grounded? Is it knowing yourself or knowing what you are about?
Thank you. Knowing exactly what I'm about, you know. People can say whatever they want to say, but lending you know, and I've always fought for it, you know, and I'm at a stage where fighting for it. It just happens. You know, it just happens. Someone calls me for a collab. I get there. I don't even take 15 minutes. I write 16 bars. You know. So I trust myself with what I do. From a distance, people don't understand you and they don't know you. You know, and from the stories they hear, maybe you never know. But I'm good to everyone, and I don't bend my bridges.
There was a court case, or there is still a court case that has been going on. You've always maintained Uguti. One day the truth is gonna come out. What's the latest with the court case now? What's happening?
I really don't want to talk about that. Those are negative stuff that have been happening in my life. I mean,
when you started out in the industry, you were open at some point to talk to people and to say to the media, I struggled, or I found drugs, I struggled with drugs, but now I'm clean. Are you still clean?
I'm not about to go back with anything which was negative in Billionaire. You understand? I just want to go forward. You know, I really want to go forward. I want to keep moving. You know, and I'm not going to allow anyone to drag me backwards. You understand? Or anything, for that matter, to drag me backwards.
2 years time, where will we see Brickz?
2 years time, Brickz Mapicado, maybe another album, maybe another album. I'm not just sure right now. I'm still sorting out my life.
Well, you heard it from the man himself. That's Brickz for you.
Yeah. Uandabed akafuna kuhlala kufika makabona labantu position uyajika